trading day. Only the last couple of minutes left for today's trading session. With that, let's take a look at how today's session has panned out. For the Nifty, we're ending lower by almost 0.3%. That's the cut that we're seeing on Nifty. 25,450 thereabouts. So we've seen quite the recovery from the day's low in the last few minutes of trade, like Shrishti was mentioning. It's a 92-point cut coming in on the spot, but almost a 150-point cut coming in from the day's highest point. For the Sensex, a 300-point cut coming in today, 0.3% lower, exactly in tandem with the Nifty is where the Sensex is too. India VIX once again has started to cool off, so that is at least looking cheerful today. Nifty Bank has led the cuts today, an 0.8% cut is what we're seeing on Nifty Bank. So this is what the benchmarks were doing. If you take a look at the broader market, the Nifty mid-caps has seen a very stellar recovery from the day's low, but you have the small cap index that is underperforming the entire market. A 0.4% cut is what we're seeing on that front. It's names like Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Asian Paints, Ultratech, Maruti Suzuki, Trent and Wipro that have been leading the gains for on the Nifty side. So Tata Steel, JSW Steel, part of the Nifty metal pack that has outperformed the entire breadth of the market today. Very stellar moves coming in from Nifty metal today. A 1.5% uptick on this index, and there were also other names like SAIL, Jindal Steel, Nalco, Vedanta that have also done very well in today's trading session. Surprising recovery and very sharp recovery coming in for Asian Paints today, that was trading in the red during the first half on the back of the CCI probe that's going to be taking place. Other than that, on the flip side, you have names like Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, L&T, all of them that are in the red. So it's entire the banking and financial space today that's been in the red. And IndusInd, of course, IndusInd and SBI, both of these, SBI Card, both of these stocks in pressure on the back of negative Goldman Sachs notes coming in. Other than metal, what's managed to hold its ground today is auto, pharma and IT, all trading in the green. On the flip side, biggest loser today on the street has been the entire realty pack, Brigade, Phoenix, Prestige, Anantraj, DLF, all of these stocks in the red. This followed by financial services, PSU banks, energy, media and FMCG. FMCG too has seen a recovery from the day's lowest point, but it's still names like Nestle, UBL, Marico and ITC that continue to keep this pack under pressure. So that's the way the market has panned out in today's trading session. Let's talk about some other news makers today. We already spoke about Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, all of these stocks that were in focus. Other than that, you also had some other stocks that have done very well. If you take a look at, given the way the market has performed today, you have names like Tata Communication on the back of a brokerage note. That stock has done very well, up 4.5%. LT Food also up 4.5%. ABFRL finally seems to be finding some momentum and a 4.4% gain coming in on that stock. That was accompanied by Apollo Tyres. You have Gujarat Gas, the entire CGD space, oil and gas, HPCL, BPCL, IOC, all of them have done well on the back of the clarification coming in from the government that all these OMCs will be given compensation for their LPG dues. So all of that looking good. Other than that, on the flip side, you had some pressure being seen on Narayana Rudolai, almost a 6% cut coming in on that stock. Godrej Industries, RBL Bank, you have NCC, Brigade, City Union Bank, Phoenix Mills, all of these stocks were slightly under pressure in today's trading session. But this is how we're shutting shop for the day. Nifty has seen a recovery from the day's low, but still struggling to hold on to that 25,450 mark. We'll give the rate some time to settle. But well, Shrishti, expiry tomorrow, another exciting day to watch out for. So all eyes are going to be on market open. But with that, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades. From Shrishti, me and the team that put this show together, thanks so much for tuning in.